Let me show you how to create a new folder in Yahoo Mail. So all we need to do is come down to the very bottom here on the left hand side and select new folder. Then we can name it. Then select this blue button here at the end of it, and that will be the new folder created. As you can see, it's currently empty. However, what we can do is we can select any message, then select move, and we can move it here into Tech Leveler, that folder. And then if we go into the folder, it'll be there. So that's how to easily create new folder in Yahoo Mail. You can also delete the folder by pressing this downward arrow on it and coming up and renaming or deleting folder. Hopefully you found that video helpful, how to create a new folder in Yahoo Mail. If you did, smash the like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos like this one.